Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi A3 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. At first open the settings, then find and select Google, and now mark sign in. Just verify that it's you by providing your fingerprint, pattern, PIN code, whatever you have set as your lock screen. Make sure that you've got your network active and now provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. So let me provide my email address and mark next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just mark next. Okay, so let me re-enter as I provided the previous password. Hopefully this one works. Mark next. Now mark if this device belongs to you or to your kid. Click on next. Go through all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Select I agree. Accept. And that's it. As you can see, the account is added. Then whenever you wish to remove it, just mark your account and click on Manage Accounts on this device. Mark Google again, select More, and mark Remove Account. Then just confirm it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.